Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can listen to Pandora outside the USA. Now, as you probably know, Pandora's an online jukebox that's been around for quite a long time. I've been using the free version for, I'm sure, about 10 years now, and I think it's been around even longer than that. But unfortunately you can't access it outside the US. If you do try and go to the site, I'll show you what happens now. If you go to there, you'll get Pandora isn't available where you are yet. Now, it's been saying that for a decade at least, so whether they are working on bringing their music service to other parts of the world, I'm not sure, but they're certainly taking their time about it. But saying that, it's quite easy to get past this, and I'm going to show you now how to do it. I am going to use a VPN program that I basically use every day for a lot of things. It's called NordVPN. Here it is. It sits in my taskbar. It's also an app on my phone and on my iPad. Basically, it's a VPN service, and here's the interface, and it allows me to connect my computer to a secure encrypted tunnel to a VPN server all over the world. Now, it's primarily supposed to be about security, but its most useful benefit that I think I find, and thousands of others, is the ability to change your IP address at will. So we're talking about Pandora, which is a US only web service. If I go and connect to a United States server, so this is basically a NordVPN server in the United States. Just see here it's connecting down here now, and there it goes. I've now effectively got a US IP address. So let me just minimize that, and I'll start Chrome again, and let's go back to Pandora. And you might have remembered I got that error message before. This time Pandora's going to load up, and I can start using it. Let me just go and log in to my account. And here we go, logging in, and it works perfectly. The free version of Pandora is, I've never really wanted anything more than that, but it's, there we go. I'll just stop that. And there it goes. It works perfectly. Now, it's basically Pandora has seen the US IP address of the NordVPN server and lets me access it. I can also access all sorts of other US only sites. Plus, if I want to access sites or TV sites or media sites in Canada, Australia, France, Germany, wherever, I just have to pick the right server, and it'll work perfectly. So there we go. That's using NordVPN and how to listen to Pandora outside the US. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.